Glory to the Father, the Son, and Holy Spirit. This is a prophecy update. Today, a small earthquake shakes Alabama. This is not the first earthquake that has happened already, and we're in the month of February. There have been several earthquakes that have struck the United States since January. Here I have a map, and it has a total of about 809 earthquakes that has hit the United States already this year. We know that earthquakes are one of the signs that Christ gave. There was also an earthquake in Iran. I do believe the whole earth is being shaken. Those who have an ear, let them hear what the Spirit is saying.